Mutino-ini uhanikire thinacara na dakika 15 barabara-ini nene ya Nairobi guthi Naikuru itũra-ini ria Magina kaunti-ini ya Kiambu na gutiga andu 18 makihonia nguraro. Ngari muthemba wa Prado ire gukuite mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju ihuranire kiongo wa kiongo na matatu ire kumite mwana wa Naivasha rorete Nairobi thutha wa kihingisha kiria kirehirwo ni matatu ire yambire kuringa ngari nini na gucoka gukora ya Tuju.
Tuona ngari cia guthana ya kumana na bara nene na kuma na bara ino ya kumana kwa beturu itukoria o hindi cia guthana twagithara andu aria tutharire acio ngi tutinamenya moirwo nia.
So the matatu driver, as is trying to swerve to avoid hitting the personal vehicle, it went to the lane where the mheshimiwa car was being driven, or where they were heading.
Tuju arangeri yake eri na athii 15 ni magurarire uru na kuguthukio thibitari-ini wa Kijambe.
Of the 18 casualties, all of them are now stable. We've airlifted 2 to the hospital of their choice. These were based on family wishes. Third, and the person of interest happens to be Raphael, Honorable Raphael Tuju.
I was actually in conversations with him, and he was talking to his family throughout. He was talking to his friends as well. He was talking to his colleagues, and so I think all of us just need to pray for him to recover as quickly as possible.
Andu 15 no maramukira urigitani thibitari-ini wa Kijambe. Riri Tuju na arangeri yake mathamirio kuma thibitari-ini uyu na kurorwo thibitari-ini ingi thutha wa Tuju gukorwo rithieta kwa ihinda ria mathaa meri na gucoka kuma arigitani makiuga gutire mundu wi hatikaini.
Then there are those that will be admitted for further care, but a lot of them will not need, from what we've determined, many of them will not need any operative intervention.
Atongoria thirikari-ini maumania na gutiria thabari yao ya guthima thikoma Daniel Toroitich arap Moi thutha wa kwamukira riboti cia mutino uyu.
People must be patient. You know, there's no more thing which is important than life.
But I was very restless because, Tuju is a very close friend of mine, and we talk, and we had a long conversation yesterday, and him and I, we have very big plans for the future.
Ndege ya borithi niyo gutafanagia mihango ya guthamia aria meheirwo na kumatwara thibitari-ini ingi kwamukira urigitani. Muingi ni uritio gukorwo ri umenyereri munene barabara-ini na kunyihia mituki iria cungagiriria mitino.
Gukinyege riu andu atatu aria ni hamwe na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju ni marikitie kweherio thiini wa thibitari uyu na gutwarwo thibitari-ini ingi kwamukira urigiti makiria. Riboti ingi ciugite ona aria mari thiini waguo matire hatikaini. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma thibitari-ini wa Kijabi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.